That's how much I made this month in September, almost $19,000, with a new model I created exactly a month ago.
Guys, most people think the AI influencer wave is over, or that it's too technical to actually make money. They're wrong. While everyone else is struggling with plastic-looking AI, the industry's top creators are using a specific engine to pull in up to $2,000 a day per influencer. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to create your own ultra-realistic AI influencer in minutes, and how to turn them into a money-making machine. No fake promises, no shortcuts, just a clear walkthrough so you can decide if this tool is actually worth using. The official link is available in the description below. Today, we're going to be using my snap face to create our AI influencer. The first thing you need to do is create your account. After that, look on the left side and click the little plus icon next to the Models tab. That's how we create a new AI model. You'll see two options. The first is perfect if you already have an AI influencer, just upload around 20 images, and the AI will train a model that generates highly consistent content every time. The second option is ideal for beginners, or anyone who wants to build an AI influencer completely from scratch. Let me show you exactly how to do that. First, we'll need to pick the ethnicity for our girl. Let's choose a white girl in her 20s. We'll set her hair to black, and for the hairstyle, we'll choose a high ponytail. We can also choose the size of her attributes. I will choose medium and large for this example. Below that, you can add custom instructions, like cute, beautiful round eyes, big lips, small nose, anything you want the model to learn. Then click Generate Character Options. When the results appear, pick the one you like. I actually like this one, so we'll select it. And continue next. We need to give our model a name and hit Submit. That's literally it. The system will now start training our model, which usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, just click Create Image and you'll see a whole library of poses and inspirations you can use. Choose something for Instagram posts. First, this one looks great. First, we need to choose the aspect ratio. Since we're creating an Instagram post, we'll select 1:1 next. We can choose between generating an amateur photo or a pro photo. I personally prefer the amateur option because it gives that ultra-realistic natural look that performs really well at the bottom. We can also set how many images we want to generate. I'll keep it at 3 and click Generate Images while that's loading. I want to show you something super practical. My snap face actually comes with a browser extension, so I'll download and install it directly into Google Chrome. This extension makes generating content, especially for Instagram and FanView, so much easier once it's installed. Head over to Pinterest and search something like woman with black hair. Then enable the My Snap Face extension and select our model open. Multiple photos as examples. You'll notice a red button on each picture. Clicking it will automatically send that pose and idea to My Snap Face. But with our model's face, this isn't a face swap, it's a completely new AI generated image that recreates the picture using your trained model. This extension works on Pinterest, Instagram, Google Images, basically anywhere on the internet. Let's check the first results. The picture already looks really nice. You can also edit it from here. Just type which thing you want to edit. Now let me show you how you can clone trending reels using your own AI character in just one click. Now just click on your image and choose the clone video option. Here, you'll see two options: Place and Animate. Place simply adds your character to the scene, while Animate fully replaces the original creator and brings your character to life with movement and expressions. I'll select Replace. Next, you can choose a source image. You can select an image you already generated or upload a new one directly from your device. I'll select one here. Now it's time to choose a source video. This is the trending reel you want to clone. You can upload your own video or pick one from My Snap Face's trending library, where you'll find currently popular content. I'll select a video from the library, choose the one I like, and simply click Generate. My Snap Face AI now starts processing the video, mapping the character, syncing movements, and replacing the original creator. After a few seconds, the video is ready. Let me play it for you so you can see the quality. As you can see, the result looks smooth, clean, and very realistic. Now let me create one more example. This time, I'll upload both the source image and the source video from my device. Adjust a few settings, and hit Generate again. And once again, after just a few seconds, the video is ready with impressive quality. That's how easy it is to turn trending reels into your own AI-powered videos using My Snap Face. Once your content is ready, the real step is turning it into income. I've been talking with the team behind this app, and they've set up a private Discord where they show exactly where to post your content, what's working right now, and how creators are getting fans fast. They've also included a free masterclass that breaks down the full monetization process from scratch. If you're already using the app, you can join for free. Just click the community button in your dashboard and I'll see you inside.